Hi everyone. Well, technically, I think you guys can still hear me. But technically, I just wanted to record this video very quickly to talk about some ideas that I've been thinking about concerning the water purification systems, and I was thinking for it to work more effectively, it would obviously need to be, the first container would have to be in a hot spot for the sun to heat up. Then it would have to be funneled down to a cool spot. Now, what I was thinking on the cool spot, I believe that if a piece of cloth...
Yeah, I've known him since like 8th grade, Bruce. He lives up in Boreal, like Tahoe, Boreal area.
Pieces of cloth, fabric, some material that will absorb, and I have it on my notes, that will absorb the gas molecules from the air.
Last will be a green Toyota 4Runner.
Green Toyota 4Runner, copy.
Well, you had one of my fucking high school buddies in your line, dude. I fucking have known that dude for like 12 years.
Solar water distiller, add dry absorber to drain dirty water out faster, as the gas molecules will adhere to the materials. And I wrote that down, and I have some other ideas, but on my my booklet here for the union. So basically, you have the top container, and then you have the top container, and then you have the bottom container. That moisture that is built up, like in any bottle, it wants to go somewhere. So that's why the tube gets funneled to the bottom one, and down here it could have some form of cloth or something to, I'm assuming, and it could be tested, it will absorb the water from the top much faster, since it has a dry place for it to go, and the thing would adhere to it. I'll be back. Cut. Okay, I got your last turn traffic.
Copy that, good buddy.
gotta take care of this traffic very quickly, and I'll be right back. Which direction?
Yeah, those things probably weigh so fucking much, it's retarded.
Anyways, I'm back.
It was sketchy watching him drop those fucking culverts behind the truck yesterday. I was like...
And so, I was thinking that this idea would be good.
This Tacoma right here in front of my line, he's one of the engineers for Flatiron.
Yeah, it would be a good idea. And, but that's only if it works, you know, so it would have to be tested. So I'm assuming the testers, Mythbusters, would have 2 units, one with the same amount of water, one with the same amount of water, have the tubes going into a cold area, assumably on top of a roof where there's a lot of sun exposure, and then the tubes going into a cool environment or atmosphere, obviously in a container, and then one container. Copy that. The secondary, or the bottom container, the secondary unit will have a bunch of rags, and then monitoring which of the water tanks in the top of the roof would drain out much faster. Now, I'm assuming since the air molecules and gas has it will have something to cling to, that whoever, or the unit that introduces the dry cloths would convert dirty water into clean distilled water much faster.
Here today. He's like, nah, do you want me to borrow a pilot car? You just sound like
much faster.
You're fucking on the job, sweep and do your thing.
Naturally, without any electricity or whatever. You know?
Yeah, he was like, do you want me to follow traffic? And I was like, no, we're kind of like...
That right there would...
so it's like, you kind of got the road to yourself, honestly. He's not going to be sweeping where we're not running traffic.
I'm trying to listen at the same time.
So yeah, that's what I told him. I was like, dude, we're basically taking coverage like on that gravel.
These guys are a distraction.
Of the closure anyway, so... He just needs to be careful down here where we're coming out, you know, down here. There's not much room. Yeah, no, totally. I mean, I told you, he's fucking doing for like 30 years. I'm sure he knows what he's doing.
Anyway, so...
Alrighty, last little P-A-Y-S-150.
Copy on your last. So... The obviously leaving cloths in any water atmosphere without any clean oxygen or it drying out will probably create mold and shit. So, you wouldn't want to leave it there for a long time. You would probably want to, um, filter them out or clean them out. Even filters will probably work out really good because the water can get filtered and then it can go through a filter system.
Hey, friend, let's go.
Yeah.
Make sure those people at the stop sign go work.
Oh, you want the
Yeah, the normal stop sign. People coming out of smart stuff.
copy? I would on that. That's what I told drivers. That's what I had.
Perfect. Because, they live here, they're locals, we want to keep them happy.
Yeah, I just for whatever reason I assumed that you wanted to get the other stuff. I mean, I'm gonna do I'll just do
Yeah, perfect. Want to keep the local people happy. It's weird not to see you in night pants.
Yeah, it's a little bit different, isn't it?
Yeah, this guy.
Okay, returning traffic.
Copy that. Yeah, perfect. You can always bring those people up to your
Thank
gate
you.
too if you want, From that line where you got that big gap.
What was that, Bruce?
When I flag down there, it's like if someone pulls that stop sign, I just pull them up into my gate.
Okay, yeah. I guess I could have done that. Yeah, I'll keep that as a mental note.
10-4.
Your final is a dark gray. So anyway, ladies, as I was saying, the cloths. Oh yeah, and the filter. The filter can act like the cloth. And
Guys, cool as shit, dude. Taking a little sun-color Ranger, bro. Must be nice.
let's say
Like 12 years old, bro. It's got a $30,000 Ranger.
they say the cloth is the black stuff, the black liquid. So this will be your clean water, because up here you will have your dirty water. Over here the tube will basically go in and the cloth's gonna be in here, and then this is the place where your clean water, your distilled water will go into, drip down into, and then you could basically open this and swap them out as an idea. But that's only if it works, and if it does work, then that would be great. Then you would be able to put clean cloths in there that have no chemicals, so it could be truly distilled. Because if you use a paper towel or a tissue or even toilet paper, some of it's recycled, so they use chemicals, bleach and stuff, chlorine. So you probably don't want to use that.
It's 10:30 already.
So yeah, that was just an idea I came up with, and
You can take them if you want.
I thought it was a good idea for someone wanting to convert dirty water into distilled water much faster without electrical means. It would just be solar means or whatever. So yeah, that was all, and that's basically perfecting the in-home water natural distiller, solar distiller from the previous video that I uploaded, by introducing some thin sheets of cloth or something, so the moisture can have something to cling to and go to, or else you're just gonna have one humid place, and I don't know what to call this, like atmosphere bubble, where it doesn't know where to go, so I'm assuming or theorizing
He's got my same truck, Bruce.
that by installing or
like that,
introducing these dry cloths, that your air molecules and water will go directly to that area and collect there, therefore doing what you want more effectively. So if it proves to be true, that'll be great for you and everyone in the world. So